So, yeah, here the hut owner, I asked him about the dogs on the way, and he said that there are no more dogs on the way, and I shared my problem with him, and he shared like a really interesting opinion, and he said that the dogs are super friendly. He said, man, it's your problem. These dogs are super friendly. They're never gonna bite you. They are super cool with people, and it's because I feel fear of them. They are attacking me. Well, I don't say that I'm not scared, but I say that if on a marked tourist path in one of the biggest national parks in Europe, there are many occasions in which aggressive dogs are attacking me. Well, fuck this shit, man. Yeah, it is normal to get scared. And I asked him, so what could have happened if I didn't spray them and they start to bite me? And he was like, oh yeah, that would be very bad luck. Probably they're gonna kill you. I was like, but how come? They're super friendly dogs. And he's like, yeah, because you're scared, that's why. So, yeah, I know some of you are gonna post some comments and say, yeah, that's true. I used to have dogs. I used to have American Staffordshire Terrier. That was a badass bully. I've been bitten by dogs, and you know, I love dogs. I'm not scared of them. I love them. And in my videos, you have witnessed many times that I encounter a dog and I start to pet it or just to talk to it in a friendly manner, and they start like walking around me or along with me. I love dogs, but I love them when they do not want to attack me and fight me and most likely bite my legs. No, I don't like these dogs. So yeah, as the opposite of whatever this guy at the hut here said, I'm gonna renew my pepper spray flasks, buy me 2 more, because 1 apparently is not enough for a 4-day trek in Central Balkan. You need more than 1. If I get bitten by one of those dogs, no matter that, I mean, even if then they don't like bite me till death, I should go straight to the hospital, get like at least 5 different injections with vaccines for whatever, tetanus and whatever, all of these diseases that I might get from the dog's bite. still learning how to do it, but I'm getting better and better. Crossing rivers I can do it nice. In steep passages it's only the climbing part that is still tough for me using a selfie stick. Almost at Balkanski rozi. Yay! So I'm pretty much right next to Balkanski rozi. You know, stop by. It means translated Balkan roses. So I'll stop by to check out the menu. I remember I told you earlier that they have delicious food here. And from Shelter Botev, it was exactly 3 hours. And down climbing 1200 vertical meters, climbing 250, and walking 12 kilometers. Not bad. I'm not fast today. I don't rush. The situation with the dogs really got me, like the adrenaline hit me, then it dropped me. So let's check it out. I need a well-deserved break, 15 minutes, no matter that it's 10:41. I'll have early lunch. I had breakfast at 7 a.m. so, you know, early lunch, and then rush down to the town of Karlovo and train station.